Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on MicroStrategy or strategy stock ticker MSTR. Very interesting chart setup that could be here a big runner for 2025 and 2026. For now, the stock is exactly doing technically what I have predicted in my previous videos. That's why I will give you here a quick recap and then let you know the future price goals here to the up and downside for MSTR. This is of course not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Okay guys, when we start now here with the chart for MSTR, I want to enable here my drawings for you that you understand why we had this dip and now start to rip again. Here was one very important open down gap at $281 here in the weekly chart, which we closed. After that accumulated here for a while and then started to rip. So let's now check here the drawings and see where are the price levels to the up and downside for MSTR. When you have not seen my previous video, we traded here in a trend channel pattern. I said in my videos that as long as we're trading here in this trend channel pattern here, that MSTR will continue to accumulate or to correct. And then of course, as soon as we start to break out here of this trend channel pattern trend line here, the top line, guys, that is the moment when we start to see a squeeze. I also predicted already the price which I expect to hit between $403 and $418. That was my calculated price goal. As I say, please watch my previous videos if you want to see that, guys. And then we have here one final zone which I call is a make it or break it price level here between $360 and $340. So let's enable here TradingView and we can simulate now the price action here, what happened here after my video release, and then we talk about the future price actions. Okay, let's go. So guys, here was a dip. I explained that later, guys. So here we touched the zone and we came back in this red box here, found support, and that's where we are right now, guys. Why do I mention that? Because MSTR is a very nice squeeze play or ticker which has here massive upside potential. I show you all the upside price levels here, but I do these kind of predictions here also for much more volatile stocks. So when we see now here what happened since February 2025, MSTR in total was up 85%. That is good, but I mean that is here a ratio of or a range of about 4 months, and 85% in 4 months is really good if you caught the perfect dip and of course sold your positions here or still hold them. But this is of course a little bit slow in my opinion. Even we have here of course a very high squeeze potential. So why do I mention that? Because I always scan the market here for short squeeze plays or breakout stocks, and I post them on Patreon, guys. I have a brand new ticker available right now. I posted this just today where we have a 330% squeeze potential. And of course, I always mention those tickers here or talk about these tickers before they squeeze. So when I post this on Patreon, my members have a lot of time or enough time to make their own due diligence, scan if this is a perfect play or not. This is the buy-in price range. Just for example here for this ticker, I have of course all the price level information available on Patreon, and this is what I expect to happen here. I cannot give you any kind of guarantee, but this ticker is available right now on Patreon, and we have many squeezes here almost every week. Just this week here was our swing trade ticker here surged 294% 2 days after I made the same prediction, guys. It's the same what I posted today, and this ticker squeezed 294% after my prediction, touched the entry price level here, and boom, started to rip. That's why I say, guys, if you want to also see these kind of breakout alerts or breakout stocks, I have videos and screenshots available on Patreon. Then you can join us here. The full package membership is my most popular membership, where every day new members joining in, guys. We're growing very fast, and I'm very proud of the community which we have built there, because a lot of knowledge is on board here. Not only my knowledge, also we have very high skilled members there with high knowledge which they share also in the community. If you don't know how to trade tickers, guys, it's not only about breakout stocks. I also have here trading tutorials available. So if you don't know which broker to use, which indicator, which stock, what is a good chart, bad chart, and so on, everything is available here. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader, and of course available here in the video description. So guys, now we saw that more or less my game plan for MSTR was on how to say that, on spot. But now we want to know what's happening next. So what I did now, if you have seen my previous videos, I added this line here, guys. So we have now a new 2025 temporary support at $267. So we can clearly see, no matter if we use this trend channel pattern or not, that MSTR started to build a bottom here between $230 and $267, which means in a perfect trading world, yeah, because we are here in a perfect trading world for MSTI. What is that, guys? We start to build higher highs and higher lows. So if we still continue here to trade in this perfect trading world, that means that MSTR should not go lower anymore than $235. In my opinion, $267 is the strongest support which we have. We can see that here in the weekly chart, that the candles found support and that we had a lot of support from here with the next breakout, algo breakout, guys, and then we're heading here to the new price levels. Yeah, so algo squeeze trigger, and this is now very important for you guys if you have already bought here in and still in display. This is not financial advice, yeah, but I can just tell you what the chart is telling us. The squeeze trigger price level or breakout price level for MSTR is $360, guys. By the way, if you don't want to miss any updates here on MSTR or my other stocks, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now, guys. Please help the algo here to push these videos. It's very important for me that a lot of people can see that content, and maybe it helps you to understand how to trade these kind of volatile stocks. So the algo squeeze trigger here is $360, and that means as long as we trade above $360, especially with a weekly candle, guys, that means we will find support, and in my opinion we'll see new all-time highs coming for MicroStrategy. We already hit this this algo zone here, but the support is still strong enough. So as soon as we break through, I think we will slowly go higher here and see new all-time highs. What is the price level to the upside, guys? Yeah, before we talk about the bearish reversal scenario, what is the price goal to the upside? I can show you that, guys. I also made this zone for you to make it more easy to understand. So zoom out, and I will correct it for you guys here. This is the price goal. This is not to hype you up. This is not to create FOMO. Yeah, we squeezing, blah. No, guys, this is simply based on algos. If we find support, if we create a new all-time high now for MSTR is 543 US dollar. If this stock starts to rip, the next price goal which we have, this is everything calculated here on algos, is between 740 and $806. So yes, from today's price, even I never recommend to FOMO in, guys. Wait for the dip, yeah. $360 and lower is the dip. I come talk about this in a second, but for now, based on the today's price, guys, yeah, we have here a bullish breakout potential or price goal of about 108%. The market is super bullish right now. That is a good sign, and this is a good chance for stocks like that we see here new all-time highs coming in the next weeks or months. Otherwise, we also would not see here 294 squeezes in one day. The market is bullish, guys. The market is in favor for squeezes here, and that's why also MSTR has a very, very high chance here to reach this price goals in the next weeks or months. It only depends on the volume. When we talk about the volume here for a second, I can show you that, guys. We have here a lot of green buying volume, not so much red volume, and as long as this stays active like it is, yeah, we will see here a continuation of the bull run. What is the bear scenario? The bear scenario is, guys, that we dip below $267. There is a chance that we see here a fake out back, that we retest one more time this trend channel accumulation pattern. This is possible, guys, but I don't want to see a price lower than $230, because if we go lower than $230, then the bearish scenario would be initiated, and then we see much lower prices here. You can already see the zones here for MSTR. But as I said, for now we are in a bullish setup, and as long as we stay above $267, guys, everything is green, especially if we stay above $360. This is here more or less the algo squeeze trigger, yeah, for the next bull run and for potential new all-time highs. Yeah, my friends, if you want to copy here the price levels, I will zoom out for you. This is everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. If you want to learn trading, guys, I highly recommend that program. Yeah, this is just also part of my trading strategy, and that helps a lot to spot here the entry and exit signals. As I mentioned before, join us on Patreon, watch all my videos, watch all my tutorials. That will also improve your trading skills a lot, guys, even if you're already an advanced trader. And if you want to copy here these price codes, then you can of course pause the video and get yourself TradingView, guys. If you have not TradingView yet, then, and if you want to start today using that, guys, you can go here in the video description. I have a discount link for the TradingView premium tier available here, guys. Use that if you want to start today. My dear friends, that was the update on MSTR. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you great success. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want, then see us in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.